G'day guys, this is Kiwi Gijoecustoms and Collection, and today I'm going to look at repairing this Iron Grenadier hook for his sword. This is broken on the side, and I think it's an easy repair by using the old paper clips, pliers and snips, and the Dremel. So let's get into it. Alright, first of all, let's draw a hole where the hook was. Sweet, that's done. I also forgot to mention the superglue as well. Okay, so we'll get this and we position the hook shape. Right, a little bit more. Right, once again, snip this. I'll snip a bit longer than usual. Once again, cover this up so the hook doesn't fly away. Get the trusty super glue. Yeah, I've got to be pretty careful with this. Alright, a bit of super glue here. Excellent. We got this. Right. And position the hook up. And that's it. Simple fix. Just now got to add in the paint. Okay, so the paint, I'm just using the Tamiya color acrylic paint, semi-gloss, X18 black. Already shaking this up. So just apply my brush in here and give it a paint. And there you go, brand new hook for his sword. And as you can see now, he's got his weapons and his sword fits on there quite nicely with absolutely no problems whatsoever. Just want to make another note. I kind of made a mistake with the size drill bit. Here is the drill bit which I'm using, and that's from any hardware store. I got this at Bunnings in New Zealand, so I do apologize. I'm going to be making mistakes when I do these videos, but hey, I hope you guys enjoy it, and I'll catch you later. See ya.